Hi, I'm Robert Zelig. I'm Vice President of International Sales. I'm married, and I have one son. I'm what you'd call a real New Yorker. Love this city. Its people, baseball, and sometimes the Yankees. New Yorkers are known for being kind of demanding about the things we like. So I want to talk to you about mobility and how it helps us do better business. Because if it worked for this New Yorker, it just might work for your organization. The nature of my business means that I'm out and about a lot. So it's important for me to be mobile, but also contactable by colleagues, but most of all by my clients. These days, I have just one device, one number, and one mailbox reachable anywhere at any time, whether I'm traveling or in the office. Being bombarded by phone calls all the time sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? But I set the rules so that important calls from customers always come through. Things that can wait get routed straight to my mailbox. It's open. I have a choice of devices, and it's not like I needed to go to Harvard to learn how to pick up my voicemail. Plus, it makes the money man happy, as all the calls that I make from the office or at home go straight through the corporate network without extra cost. Big thing is, I have more time for my son.